This is called a spatula. Spatula. This is called a whisk. A whisk. This is a wooden spoon. This is a ladle. A potato peeler. A cheese slicer for slicing cheese. Tongs. These are metal tongs. This is a potato masher. It's quite old, but it's one of my favorite utensils in my drawer. This is an old-fashioned ice cream scoop. And since I don't eat ice cream very often, I prefer this one. I don't want to get a newer one. This one works fine. This is called a melon baller. A melon baller, because you scoop out the watermelon and it makes a nice little ball. These are cookie cutters. They belong to my grandmother. She used to make a lot of cookies, especially at Christmas time. She would make sugar cookies. And next we have measuring cups. Now in the US we use cups, but in Europe we use deciliters. Deciliters. Measuring spoons. This is a spatula, but my handle broke on this one, so it's a broken rubber spatula. Notice that this is called a spatula, a rubber spatula, and this one's called a spatula. Spatula, rubber spatula. Today I'll be making banana pancakes. We won't be using a glass measuring cup or a Pyrex measuring cup, and we won't be using the deciliter. I will put the recipe in deciliters at the bottom of the screen. We will need a mixing bowl, measuring spoons, measuring cups, and both spatulas. Let's get cooking. For this banana pancake recipe, we need 2 ripened bananas. So 2 ripened bananas. We'll need some flour, we need some vanilla, we need milk, baking powder, and oil, and 2 eggs. I just realized I didn't pull out my eggs. And 2 eggs. And that's it. The first thing I'm going to do is peel the bananas. Peel the bananas. I'm peeling the bananas. It's time to mash the bananas. I could use my potato masher, but if you don't have a potato masher, you could use a fork and mash the bananas. The bananas are mashed. Now I will crack 2 eggs and put them in. Cracking an egg. I'm cracking an egg. Now I'm scrambling the egg. I'm scrambling the egg. My recipe calls for 1/2 cup of sugar, but personally, I don't like using sugar. I don't think it needs it because I've got the bananas in there. If you like a sweeter pancake, then use 1/2 cup of sugar. You could also use 1/2 cup of honey if you like honey. Using honey instead of sugar is called a substitution. A substitution. A 1/2 cup of milk. Notice I didn't say the L in the word half. In another bowl, I will mix the dry ingredients. It says 1½ cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You have your wet ingredients, you have your dry ingredients. I forgot to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla in here. Whoops, that's okay. I'm pouring the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Make sure you scrape the edges. I'm scraping the edges. Now the batter is mixed. I like my batter lumpy. Do you see the lumps there? Lump, lump, lump. I like my batter to be lumpy. Some people like their batter runny. I'm using a whisk and I added more milk to make it runny. Runny. Thick and lumpy. It's time to heat up the pan. Now I don't have a griddle. I have a large frying pan. And when you heat up your griddle or your frying pan, you want it hot, but you don't want it too hot. You must turn the temperature down. Turn it down. To test the pan, I put my hand just above it, above, and it's ready. You can add a little oil or butter, whatever you prefer. I don't like to use a lot of oil when making pancakes. The pan is coated in oil. When the pancake starts to bubble, then flip the pancake. Flip the pancake. Or turn the pancake over. I wait about a minute or two for the other side to cook. My pancake is done. The batter is bubbling. It's time to check. Maybe a little bit longer. It's done. Which one do you like? Do you like the thinner one? Or do you like the thicker one? Let's talk toppings. What would you like on your pancakes? Maybe you would like some honey or a little cinnamon. A lot of people like maple syrup. Other people like powdered sugar. I like a little jam. This is my favorite part, taking off my apron and eating pancakes. Yeah! Well, that's the end of this video. What do you like on your pancakes? Have you ever had a pancake? I've put the banana pancake recipe below. What's your favorite recipe? If you have a suggestion for a video, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for subscribing.